Is it safe to whiten your teeth? While brushing your teeth with activated Caracol toothpaste really help whiten them and lift stains. We asked dentists to weigh in on the increasingly popular trend. Activated Caracol is the buzzy health ingredients of the moment, showing up in every from supplements to pressed juices to beauty products, and now it's also made its way to the oral care aisle with brands like Curaprox and Twin Lotus, marketing variants of activated charcoal toothpaste that claim to clean and whiten teeth and eliminate bad breath. Because it's so porous, activated Caracol is sometimes used in emergency rooms to treat certain kinds of poisoning and overdose. By soaking up the poison, Caracol prevents it from being absorbed into the stomach. By this logic, some people believe activated Caracol can also be used to soak up toxin in the body, or in this case, stains on the teeth. But is it a good idea to use toothpaste that contains activated Caracol? And will the ingredients really whiten and detox teeth? We asked dentists for their take. Should you use an activated Caracol toothpaste? Activated Caracol has been used in the body for thousands of years, says Bruce L. Cassis, DDS, a dentist from Fayetteville, WV. And from a dentist standpoint, I do have patients that use these products and claim to get some benefits. That said, he cautions that there are not any long-term studies on activated Caracol as an ingredient in toothpaste. The science of Caracol attracting particles has been well studied in hospital toxicology departments and air filtering systems, but I would wait for more research to determine its true safety, especially when used in the mouth, says Trey Wilson, DDS, a New York City-based dentist. For example, how does Caracol interact with medicines if swallowed, and how does it affect healthy oral bacteria? If your main concern in whiter teeth, Dr. Wilson says home whitening kits or an in-office dental exam will get you the noticeably brighter results you are after. Or for a more natural approach, he'd suggest swiping the inside of an orange peel over teeth. It works subtly but safely. What to know before you try Caracol toothpaste? If you do decide to use activated toothpaste, dentists agree that you should do so cautiously and sparingly. Brush with it no more than once every other week and not for an extended period of time, even if your teeth feel normal. It's an abrasive ingredient, Dr. Cassis says, and frequent use could wear down the enamel on your teeth. That's why certain people should avoid activated Caracol toothpaste altogether. If you have a lot of recession of gum tissue, the roots of the teeth may become sensitive as a result of the abrasive quality to Caracol toothpaste, says Dr. Wilson. Dr. Cassis recommends trying a Caracol toothpaste from a reputable brand and taking note of any unusual symptoms like raw or bleeding gums, an increase in sensitivity. If you experience any of these symptoms, stop using Caracol toothpaste right away and make an appointment with your dentist.